On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. Up only over the weekend. Chop only. What's going on with this hair? I look like some guy named Cornelius or something. Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Happy Holiday Monday. We got a whole bunch of utterly fantastic people in the chat. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you've all had a terrific weekend. Bitcoin climbing. Will it continue, or is this the end? Are we going to get slapped down like we normally do, or are we just going to continue to grind up? We'll see. Let's jump into the chat. Let's jump into the charts. What's going on? What's going on, gang? Good to see you guys. Look at this climb, man. It is climbing the Everest of mountains of Candle World. I don't know how to explain it. It's going up. Can it continue? Very slow, very painful. John Foster Crypto with the 5 and joining. I mean, you're already family, man. Thanks for the 5, John Foster Crypto. Let's see if we got some lurkers in here. Joy, Thomas, and KG. I would say lurker, and lurker. We got triple lurkers. Triple lurkers, which is always fun. Gotta love some triple lurking. Nice push here for Biddy, trying to go. Can it go? That is the question of our existence. The bane of our existence, right? It doesn't want to make up its mind. Up, down, all around, doesn't know which way to go. We will see. Slap down, continuation. We will see. No trades right now, just chilling. Solana, same thing. Flat. Coming into holiday weekends. I do believe, correct me if I'm wrong, Wednesday is a half day. Thursday is a full day off. Do we have Boxing Day off as well? Can you guys let me know in the chat? Maybe you guys know what's going on, everybody. Good morning. Thank you for being here, Cameron Parker. What's the move, y'all? Just Dusty, what's going on? Jit, good morning. Vammer, Whales coming back to this morning to resume manipulation. Yeah, that's typical, right? Castile, Cameron, Alexandra G, she's back. Welcome back. The mod queen is back, everybody. Let's see some Alexandra G's. It's been a while. It's been like a week we haven't seen you. Hopefully your move was okay. God bless. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, everybody. Rashad, Felipe, Colin, Crypto Titan. What's going on? Good morning. Thank you for being here, Skull Tattoo. Rolling over a little bit here on Solana. Rolling over. I don't know, man. I don't know if we're out of the woods just yet. Big sweep in here. Bear divs rolling over. Trigger wave trying to push up. We'll see. Can it go? That is the question. NASDAQ climbing the wall of worry as well, leaving a big target box down behind over this beautiful weekly candle close. Beautiful weekly candle close. It actually pushed back green. It's actually not that beautiful, but it's green. Who cares? It's green, guys. It's Christmas green, which is a good thing. What's going on, Shreyan? Skull Tattoo. Good morning, Milan. Good to see you guys. Marion, good morning. Good to see you. Dusty, Steve Hickey, John Foster Crypto, Triple. Blue Collar Trades, what's going on? Good morning. Curtis Hill, Cameron. Very choppy right now, guys. Indecision. Very indecisive. Doesn't know where it wants to go, which is typical. I'd expect it to come up for some sort of retracement up in here, but heck, what do I know? This is just sideways. Yeah. So big sweep up here, though, into resistance. There is a volume resistance up here, so we could be looking for a little bit of a rollover here. A little rollover. Right? Solana. Oh, yeah, Solana's going. Solana's going for a little rollover here. Maybe a sweep and a bounce. Grab liquidity up here, so may not bounce. We shall see. How's everyone doing this morning? Everybody have a good weekend. Steve Hickey, that one. M, good morning. Duality. Harp, what's going on, man? Good morning. How's those Flyers doing? The Leafs are horrible. I've never not believed so less in my life. JR, Irish Kate. We got the worst power play in the whole league. G1, Nathan. Philly Skills, Wagwan, good to see you. Merry Christmas, everybody. Shep, Fakur, JR. Alexander G, good to see you. So nice to see you back. Our new code is Zusammenfloss. Alexander G, Zusammenfloss. It's to keep out retards. We made it a hard code to get $10 off for the Christmas holidays. Hold the savings event. Don't ask. Boobs ran out. We ran out of boobs, so we went to Zusammenfloss. What's going on? Curtis Hill, Crypto, that one guy, Grayson, good morning. Little Fish. Thank you for being here. Melissa. Gains for Life, good day. Wishing you a great day as well. Darren Does Things, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Rashad, John K, Charles. Solana trying to push back here. Sweep of the lows, higher low, continuation trade, possibly. Oh, man. Slap back. Trying to go. Retest the previous lows. Continuation down. Bitcoin. Trying to push. No push. Push biddy. We got a little trigger wave here. Anchor trigger wave. Trying to go here possibly. I still see some liquidity for it to come and grab. Got some volume this morning at least. Slap down. Bam. All right, there it is. Be aggressive. Yeah, this is choppy AF, man. Solana, yeah, there it is. Choppy. Not something I'm going to touch right now. How's everybody doing this morning? Where we are in we're above VWAP, right? Just a tad. Just a tad here as well. Oh, we're quite above VWAP here on Biddy. Flying. However, a nice push. Santa Claus rally. Put a 1 in the chat if you think we're going to get a Santa Claus rally. Put a 2 in the chat if you think we're just full of shit. Full of shit. I want to know what your sentiment is. I need to know, guys, so I can trade based on your fear and greed in here. What's going on, Rashad? Rajesh, good morning. Thank you for being here. Melissa, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. We just hope. Yeah, I think the hopium's for real. We all know the hopium's for real. Ones. We got lots of ones. Crypto Billy. What's going on, Billy? God bless, man. Merry Christmas, Billy. Hopefully you're doing well. With all the fam jam in there, you must be spoiled for giggles and good times with the family, man. Had a full weekend. Thank you for the question. Awesome, Marion. That's good. Full weekends are good. Maybe a VWAP slap here on Solana. Maybe. Maybe a VWAP slap on Solana here. Bitcoin teasing us. Not certain where it wants to go. I almost said shirtin'. Almost shirtin'. I didn't shirt my pants this morning. What's going on? Koopa Loop, what's going on, man? Welcome to the emojis. Welcome to the emojis. Gang. Thank you for being here. King Froggle, good morning. Tips. Weekend was great. I actually took the whole weekend off from work. Let's go. That's the one, man. Just take it off. Enjoy it. It's the holiday season. What's going on, Wave Cypher? Good to see you, man. Hodl Crypto, Curtis Hill, M4, Decent Crypto, Rajesh. Good to see you guys. Thank you. Overcome. Good morning. Welcome, man. Good to see you, Melissa, King Froggle, Sharon, Dr. Mustard, Rajesh. Man, lots of nice good mornings this morning. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out with me. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, that'd be cool. That would be cool. You don't have to. That'd be cool, man. 240 people here. 60 likes. I think we do a little bit better. A little bit better. We'll see. Flat here, no decision. Okay, so some volume coming in this morning with a little push, and now it's just flat. So no trade here. Still waiting. I would guess that we could come back up in here. At least up into here. But we'll see. Bullish momentum, continuation up. 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame. Climbing the wall of worry over the weekend. After that beautiful green, at least it was a green weekly close, right? Can we all agree that's about as happy, even though it's a doji ugly candle, at least it was green, right? We can at least all celebrate it was a green candle, That's always a win in my books. All right. So Santa Claus rally. We got a bunch of people wanting that Santa Claus rally. I agree. That pump brought you the market makers attacking all the bears. Bulls exiting longs and jumping in shorts. Yeah. I see that. Solana coming down here. Are you guys ready for some manipulated price action? Wall Street's kind of stepped away, and it gets nasty at Christmas time. I promise you that. It gets nasty. Make sure you got your stop losses ready to go. It can get really ugly really quickly, and it can get really pretty really quickly, depending on what side of the trade you're on. So be prepared for volatility, choppiness, questioning why you're trading. It'll all happen in this week. I promise you that. If you're going to overtrade, you're going to pay for it. I promise you that. I promise you that. So please be patient as much as possible. It's going to be a lot of enticing price action where you think it's this way and it's not, right? I think people will sell for tax for deductions and rebuy in January. Yeah, they've been doing that. I've been doing that. You hedge your losses, or you take profits. I had to take a lot of profits on a lot of my trading, and the tax guy's going to love me. I think I shared on X this morning how much the tax person is going to love me. Rolling over here for Solana. Rolling over here for Bitcoin. Tax time in Canada. Here it is.
You're half of the money.
Gotta love Walter White.
You're half. There is no your half of the money. There is only my all of it. Do you understand? You're half. There is no.
Here's Canada. Welcome. There is no half. That's the real one. That's the real one. Rolling over here, not looking too pretty for Solana. VWAP slap incoming. A little bit of patience in here. Bitcoin rolling over as well. Can Biddy bounce? How was everybody's weekend? Hopefully really, really well. Head and shoulders. Ugly head and shoulders. Yeah, that is ugly. That's some Quasimodo head and shoulders there, French toaster. Market open is going to be stupid. Yeah. Yeah, it's can you explain why there's almost zero divergences on low time frames? Not sure how I would explain why that is. I would just say that there isn't. Right? There's no there's divergences here, divergences here. I mean, you get them. It's just do they play as well, right? The time frames play a big role, right? When you have a higher time frame, it typically plays a little bit better in general. So here's the rollover, looking for the slap and go. Rolling over on Solana, trying to bounce. Can it bounce? That is the question. Can it bounce? Oof. Oh, here we go. Manipulation. Is it water on the knee? Look at that. Everybody who shorted that got wrecked right there. Everybody who shorted that just got wrecked. You see how bad it is, guys? Everybody who shorted that just got absolutely decimated. You see how bad that is? Solana trying to push. Everybody got wrecked there. Wow. I was up $1,500. Holy shit. Break even trade. I thought we were going to go. I should have I was not even fast enough for that one, guys. I was not even fast enough for that one. I should not have even shared my screen there. Jeez. Okay, Bitcoin's rolling over here, guys. No trade for me. That was woohoo! That was fun. Break even. Damn, Daniel. I haven't had French toast in a long time. Me neither. Me neither, man. Me neither. Damn, this is some herp and derp price action. What does your market cipher look? I have an overlay of Prime on mine as well. That's why it looks different, my friend. I have the OG original market cipher, but then I also have Chart Prime on here, so I can turn. I also have my little secret sauce. I can't always, little secret sauce. Bitcoin bounces here. We get long on Solana. Breakdown, retest, continuation trade. Okay. Mm-hmm. Breakdown, retest, got to push. Bitcoin rolling over. Bitcoin's got to push back, otherwise no trade on Solana. Solana's rolling over too. Still interested in a VWAP slap here on Solana if it wants to do it. ES climbing. NASDAQ climbing. Some positives in the market. Bitcoin breaking this uptrend. Very choppy on the way out here. Very choppy. Trying to hold this low here. See if Bitcoin can. Solana trying to hold VWAP and this support level. Got a very macro trend line right here on Solana as well. Nice trigger wave too. $12-minute trying to curl up. Mm-hmm. 8-minute trigger, 12. Let's see here. It's very sporadic, guys. I don't know if we want to touch this today. Oh my God. Thank you everybody for being here. We'll do some top-down analysis right now while we wait. Look for Solana to push here, but I'm going to stay away from it for now. Button Monkey must be hungover. Yeah, he's definitely hungover. I'm about to make some hood toast. Oh man, the hood toast. Taxes are in May in Romania. Half with Nordic countries. Yeah, only half. Yeah. That's the way. What's going on, Mortimer Duke? Good morning, everybody. Gold all-time high, yeah. Very choppy. I say we wait right now. Let's do some top down. Thank you everybody for being here. Smacking up the like buttons. We got 330 people in here. Thank you for being here. So Bitcoin climbing the wall of worry last night. Obviously, we had our weekly candle close. Happy days. Closed green. That's about as positive as I can get for you guys. Okay, it closed green, which is better than nothing. Okay, so got a weekly candle closed. Indecisive doji. Coming down, sweeping, not taking this low or this low. So consolidation, chop solidation, trying to push into the Santa Claus rally. We'll see if we get anything, guys. What we do understand is the price action has been Mr. Bart Simpson. Okay, so everybody getting wrecked, liquidity, really keeping us quite tight in here between 93 and 87-ish. Okay, so it's been a heck of a couple weeks, guys. If you've traded and you survived, you've done well. Good job. I've done pretty well. Not as good as last month, but I mean, last month was an easy trading month. This month, yikes! It's been I'm up, but I'm not happy with my trading because it's been very, very, very wickety. Okay. But that's okay. Honest self-appraisal is very important when trading, you know. Some environments are harder to trade than others, especially with your strategy, right? And you must understand that. That's why you must use good risk management because there's going to be ebbs and flows in your trading. 3-day, beautiful. Green dot printing. We still got a day and a half left on this, so we'll know by Merry Christmas, right? So that's interesting. But the daily here, trying to push up. VWAP's very overextended. When we get into our shorter term time frames, you're going to realize, hey, everything needs to cool off, really. Okay, so even though we're not up only, this is pretty aggressive push up here. As we can see, the 12-hour trigger wave is what I'm watching for. If this thing rolls over in the next couple days, it could be ugly. We do have money flow crossover, mini bull div in here trying to push out, okay, which is good. Money flow continuing up, right? This is all good, but if we go from history, guys, we have had rejection after rejection after rejection. So could it be different this time? You're telling me there's a chance, and there is a chance. There's always a chance, right? For us to at least come back and attack Gandalf up here with the "You shall not pass." Okay, we would like to come and take the liquidity at 98 and the golden pocket, but they would much rather keep us here and wreck us all. Okay, which is fine. We're ready for it. That's why you got to be quick with the trades. The environment is as such, right? If we look at the 8 hour here, we can see ramping to the upside. So this is where everything starts to get very overextended. 8 hours, 6 hour, 5 hour, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can see they're all up here. Okay, which means cooling off can probably occur. So short is probably your best bet if you're a swing trader right now. Not saying to short, not saying to long. It's not financial advice. I'm just a button clicking hobbit in Canada here, wishing you all Merry Christmas and thank you for being here. Who streams and shows his trades every day. Best Discord in crypto. Grateful. That's all. Grateful. So overextended. Last night we did a little bit of an update. We were looking for a liquidity sweep. Okay, we were looking for a liquidity sweep here and a potential long. And guess what? It worked. So if anyone took that idea from our update video last night in our Discord, you would have been in pretty good shape this morning. Pretty good shape. I think we talked about that. I didn't hit record. We're going to go again. Good thing we only went 5 minutes. We did. Painful, as you can see. But typically we coming in. We'll see how the market for the weekly looking, trying to close and be if ES. We'll see if you're trying to trade on the weekends, which is some very painful. As weekend warrior traders, stay the heck away and wait for the forward something like a little bit more sketchy, in my opinion, to see if we are going to hold this uptrending momentum, which we would track for a bit concerning. If we're going to push, though, that's what I would be looking for. Something that would have played nice going into this evening. However, a little bit overextended. Like I said, there's liquidity below us. Oh, good times. Good times. Happy days. Prepared traders, man. Love all these prepared traders. Look at this, rolling over Bitcoin now. Here we go. Come on down, Betty. Come on down. See Uncle Alex. So if this, then that. We'll see. Choppy. Solana's choppy. Bitcoin's outperforming Solana right now, which is interesting. ETH is, honestly, in my opinion, ETH is just so choppy. I wouldn't touch it right now. It's so painfully choppy. I would not want to participate in any Ethereum trades. I think ETH will wreck you, because ETH will go in a direction, but ETH will get there like this. Okay, understand the asset that you're trading. Bitcoin's breaking down now. So we're tracking this momentum to the downside. Nice sweep into resistance. So locally, when we're going through our top-down analysis, what we can see, everything's overextended, right? We have established that. So we're looking for pullback continuations. That's typically how you treat it. Overextended, lots of liquidity below us, right? So we have all this liquidity to come and take. And we have just slapped into this high, right? We've literally slapped this high right here. Look at that. Beautiful slap. This tells me we've done a job and we can go down. How fast or where is for us to determine, right? So obviously we have all of our pullback levels and we're ready to trade depending on where price action goes. So we'll see. Happy to be here. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day. It's Christmas time. Don't overtrade. Be kind to yourself. Spend time with your loved ones. I'm taking Wednesday and Thursday off this week. Tough shit. I never take a break. Ever. So I am. I've been instructed to. Sorry. You'll survive. I'll come and say hello to the Discord and give you guys some levels and stuff. I won't totally abandon you. I promise you that. But I'm going to bake cookies with my wife. How about that? I'm going to bake cookies with my wife. I'm going to, I don't know, hang out with my son. and hanging out, man. We're going to hell again. Okay. What's going on, Hendy? Good to see you, man. Todd Fata, Curtis Hill, good morning. King Froggle, Bears won't change their minds. Back to 86 we go. You took a short with JR. That's good, man. That was a nice sweep. See if we can roll over here. Did you watch the boxing fights? There's nothing better than seeing Andrew Tate and Jake Paul both get beat up. I mean, come on, guys. It's like Merry Christmas, an early Merry Christmas. Early Merry Christmas. And you know what? Kudos to them for fighting, but man, did they get an ass whooping. Where is your ugly Christmas jumper? I don't have one, man. I don't have an ugly Christmas. I only have Sweet Otter Gang merch, man. That's it. That's it. He made $90 million to get his ass whooped for 16 minutes, which is fine. You see his jaw, man, broken twice? Whew. Ooh-wee. No, thank you. I don't know. I'll take the 90 million, but I mean, if he made 90 million, then how much did the other people make? That's what I'm always wondering, you know? Like if they paid him 90 million, what was their ROI on their investment to paying him 90 million, okay? I never really care about how much the fighter makes. I'm always curious about what the business or the entertainment business makes. And that's a great purse. It's a great purse as an individual. But what do you think the companies are making, guys? Holy. Right? Holy. How many people signed up for Andrew Tate's whatever community? I don't know what his community has. The Giga Chads. What's his community named? I mean, the Giga Chads. What do you think the Giga Chad's got, man? He's probably got so many more signups and exposure. It's all about attention, right? Right? It's all about attention. Choppy. Rolling over Bitcoin. Bitcoin trying to hold this low here, retest the previous highs. So this is actually an interesting level. If this and that. We could go from this low here to this high here. Yeah, golden pocket, liquidity sweep, something down here. I still want to see a slap on Solana. Sporadic. Very sporadic. Everybody's ready for Christmas? Are you guys ready for Christmas? What do you have planned for Christmas? So we're having Christmas kind of at our place in the morning. Just the three of us gonna enjoy some quality time as a family. Then we have some family friends that we're driving to go and see for dinner. For dinner, I got him a nice housewarming gift yesterday, or a paddle. However you want to look at it. I guess we can get a little bit raunchy. Should I get the paddle out? It's a charcuterie board, guys. It's a charcuterie board. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. Tate University. Call me when it's 90 million each bar. I don't know, man. I feel like shorting Solana, but VWAP's right there. If I were to take a trade right now, it would be this. That would be my trade right here. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Not with this janky price action, man. Holy smokes. And we got momentum up here, so we could push and then go down. Push and then go down. I don't want to give anybody the FOMO, man. I know some people just come on here to click the buttons and they try to copy the buttons I'm clicking and they don't do well. Just letting you know. Sometimes we do well together. Okay. Which is great. I love seeing you guys win, but it's not financial advice. You need to implement your own strategy, please. I will teach you my strategy in the Discord if you want. And how I see the market. My strategy here is to not touch it. That's my strategy. Good morning, Chantel, JR, Randy, Andrew Cameron. I'm sorry to hear that, Andrew. God bless you, man. It looks like Head and Shoulders. It's okay. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I love charcuterie. It's my favorite board game. I always win. Let's go. Let's go, guy. Ruined myself trading. Hopefully we can help change that, man. Family and friends at my house. Beautiful, Jack. Trading this has been very hard. I'm also very new, though. Yeah, so you're in an environment that's very hostile right now. It's not as fluid as you would want, trust me. Here comes the rollover. Slap VWAP. VWAP slap here on Solana, still rolling over. Bitcoin continuing to roll over, no strength. No trade here, still waiting, guys. Chop City. There it is. There's a good slap. Reclaim VWAP. Bounce on Bitcoin? Not yet. No bounce on Biddy. No bounce on Solana yet. Just a good slap. Still waiting here. Candle close. 40 seconds. Considering a long here. Just the rollover is kind of ugly in my opinion. Bitcoin's got a push here. No push on Biddy. Little push on Bitcoin here. Gotta go, Solana. Stop loss to entry. Up 160. Just a half a position size there. I didn't really like it too much, but see if we can rotate up here. I'm not trying to be greedy with this one. Take a little bit off here. See if we can rotate up to these highs here. Bitcoin looks weak, to be honest. I need more coffee. Doesn't want to take it. Don't be a dick, man. That's so gay, man. Isn't that so gay when it just hovers there, doesn't take it? That's poor liquidity. Up 300 here. Let it run. GG's in the chat, everybody. Another one. Just a little VWAP slap here. Bitcoin started to go. I hit market in. Holding VWAP. Trying to push here. Downtrend, but pretty easy slap trade. Coming up to the highs. Quick $300. Let me just let it run now. Stop loss below the low. Like, very cheap trade too, right? Like, it's not like you have to risk too much here. Nice follow through. Good patience on the VWAP. See if we do want to continue here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I need coffee for sure, man. I'm empty as ever. I'm gonna let this run, and good job, everybody. I'm gonna let this run. I'm gonna get some more coffee, and then we'll continue. Oh wait, I gotta put the song on for you guys. See, I gotta put the song on. You guys all want the song. AlexOCrypto.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
That was a quick coffee run, yeah, man. I put on a pot this morning. You'll be giving away 500 Bitcoin on stream? Girl, you must be rich now. You must be day trading secretly, not giving us signals, Randy. Randy giving away 500 Bitcoin. She's feeling jolly. She's feeling jolly. God bless you. That song hits. Not bad, eh, T-Will? AlexOCrypto. Alexo has a creepy toe. That's what I hear. I do have a creepy toe, everybody. If you're new here, I used to landscape for 3 years, and I slipped and put my foot in a lawnmower. My big toe, if this was so my little toes are safe, okay? My little toes are safe. But my big toe, if this is where the nail would be, guys, it got cut like this. Zing! Like Zorro. Like Zorro came through and gave my big... And it's not like weird. It's still a toe. It still works. God, it was so painful. So painful. I could tell you the exact story and how it happened, but, I don't know if it's a Christmas-worthy story time, but, yeah. I was 21. Oof. Oh, man. You've never felt pain like this in your life. You've never felt it. Like, imagine getting constantly kicked in the nads, or I don't know, extremities, right? Like, I've hit a lot of fingers hammering and stuff like that as a carpenter, but nothing compares when your toe feels the size of the room for like 2 weeks straight. Nothing compares. Yeah, I went there. Yeah, it hurt, man. It's the one day I don't wear my boots, I was just cutting my boss's lawn as a favor in the morning before we started work. The one day I didn't wear my boots cutting the lawn, My Nike high tops, the whole toe was ripped off of it. Luckily, I killed the mower, and it wasn't like an industrial mower, thank God, but I killed the mower as I slipped into my foot going underneath the lawnmower. The problem was there was a tree, okay, and I was going around the tree this way, right? So, like, for me, I was dragging the lawnmower, right? I was dragging the lawnmower backwards, and I was here holding it, right? Right? And I was dragging it backwards like this around the tree. So I would push it and pull it around like this, push it and pull it around the tree. The problem is that it was wet outside a little bit, and there was like a little hill like this. So like I stepped backwards and then I slipped forwards. So I slipped forwards this way and my foot went under. Yeah. So I did one of these where you're like, oof, you can imagine, right? And yeah, gobble gobble. Welcome to AlexOCrypto show, where we talk about, I take a little bit more profit there. Happy days on this trade, guys. Look at that, pushing. Took a little bit more off, okay? Just leaving a little runner now. I ain't too married to this trade, but a nice little trade here. We'll see if we want to push up 350 realized. GG's in the chat. Let's go, gang. Let's go. We even hitting it on Christmas. My God. We be printing. This is why people come and hang out here. I've realized, Actually, people come here to hang out and trade. I like it. I like it. Good job. Patience for the Solana. Oh, there it is. Take profit done, man. We winning. Let's go, baby. Gang, gang, gang. I like when the chat's flooded with gang, because then it's all orange. And I love orange, man. Good job, everybody. That is a pay me now trade, man. Look how up only, no drawdown, just straight up gangsta. Woo! Good job, everybody. Valhalla. I mean, you could have entered even on the retest back in here. It's up to you guys, man. I ain't your dad. I'm just your friendly neighborhood daughter. Is that even a thing, man? Bitcoin looking for a breakout retest. So for now the plan is breakout, come back, grab this imbalance in here. Then this would be where we're looking for a long here or here. So we don't touch it right now. We let it go. Let it be free. Free willy, man. Jump over the barrier, right? Let the whale jump over the barrier and then we catch it again. Okay. Doom. Doom doom doom. Doom doom. 400 people in here. God bless you guys. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you for being here. Oh. Randy Hipper giving away 500 Bitcoin, $500 worth of Bitcoin on Christmas, you said, or is it Christmas Eve? You're going live on Christmas? I ain't up for that, man. Button smashed, reverse trade. Don't hit that reverse trade button. Too expensive. What's going on, Trade Intuition? How you doing, brother? Good to see you. Merry Christmas, man. How is everyone off, Gus? Merry Christmas, man. Merry Christmas. We got long on Solana VWAP slap, man. Scalp long, macro short. Yeah, it does look like it needs to cool off, right? Like we've established that on the top-down analysis that, right now this is major resistance. We may even get to trade a pink box today, guys. Whew. We may even get to slap a pink box today. Who knows? Who knows? It's always exciting here. Sometimes I just wonder what's coming out of my mouth. We're here to trade pink boxes. VWAP slaps. Whatever. We're here for it. We're having fun. Trading is not easy, so I'm happy to enjoy the stress with you guys, because at the end of the day, this is not easy. This is how I feel right now as a Maple Leafs fan, right? This is how I feel like a Maple Leafs fan right now. My God. It's all my feed is full of is just Jake Paul getting knocked out, man. Just a whole gong show. We're out of this trade now. Full take profit. $377 to start the day. Happy days, guys. Happy days. On to the next one. Thank you for being here. And subscribe if you're new. Welcome. We still have our holiday premium Discord sale going on right now. Use the code ZUZAMINFLOSS, pinned in the comments up top there. I'll give you $10 off, the best Discord in all of crypto. And if you do want to join that, we would love to have you. Be kind, don't be a douche canoe. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Humanity. We do Asia streams on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. But I don't think I'll be doing... I don't think... we'll see. Maybe I do Asia. We'll see. I don't know. It's the holidays, guys. We'll see. Maybe we do Asia in the Discord as a hold the savings event. Incredible Discord, though. Welcome, and thank you for being here. Make sure you always take your swimming, Chris Reitz. That's the one, man. I'm new here. What is VWAP? Volume weighted average price, okay? It's the average price for the day. It's a free indicator. You see that white line? You know, don't do white lines when you're trading, okay? You'll end up broke both ways. So it's volume weighted average price, my friend. This gives you an average of the day. I use the standard deviation model here. You can copy this. Maybe you want to screenshot this and add it. It's in your indicators tab. It's free. I use standard deviations 1, 2, and 2.5, which gives me kind of like a Bollinger Band. So I know when we're overextended to either side. Okay, this is our median. We look to trade into VWAP, or we look to bounce off of VWAP, which we just did, right? So perfect little slap this morning. An indicator is an indicator is an indicator. It's only if you understand how price action behaves can you take advantage of an indicator, right? Like, what do we have here? We know that if we slap down quickly and bounce, this will give us bullish divergence, which typically returns to where it started. So it can push out. We have liquidity to come and take. Okay, we have an uptrend on the higher term time frames. So you put the pieces of the puzzle together and you can be pretty accurate with your entries. Right? Pretty accurate. And pretty cheap if you do take a loss, right? So you have a very clear-cut invalidation with a very clear-cut take profit area with a very clear-cut strategy if you know what you're looking for, right? Now, because the market is so choppy, I'm just very hesitant to hold trades long right now. And I mean, this would have been a great hold, guys. I'm just not here for it. Not here to F around. Save the white lines for the disco. Yes, exactly. Anyone got chicken wings? I love chicken wings. Give me some like honey garlic chicken wings, man, and some carrot sticks and ranch dip. Sign me up, man. My wife doesn't let me eat that stuff. Please show your VWAP settings. It's the same, man. It's the same. Look. Second and third root. Third, I turn off the fourth, fifth. Okay, that's it. It's just the same. The key is to having it on the chart that gives you the best volume. This is a Bybit chart. Your VWAP will change depending on the volume of the chart because it's a volume weighted average price. This is a volume on the chart. So I highly suggest you use Bybit because that's where I've back tested. But you can use whatever one you want, Binance, but I don't think you get the same results. And that's just my it's my 2 cents. Spy, my little eye. Ugly chart, guys. This looks like it needs to rug everybody, in my opinion. This looks nasty. We'll see how this opens today. NASDAQ's continuing to climb, which is a good sign. So is Bitcoin. Strength, right? Look at this thing continuing to push. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Lots of liquidity to come and grab. But like we talked about this in the Discord. If they're going to send it to Valhalla, okay, these guys, they're not going to come back for this guys down here. They're just going to send it. Larry the Enticer. If you haven't watched Larry the Enticer, he's a Canadian YouTuber. And he just sends it, guys. I don't know if you... Put a 1 in the chat if you know who Larry the Enticer is, man. It's a Canadian legend. He wears the full Canadian tuxedo. Okay? Which is jeans and a jean jacket. Okay, he's just going to send it. If you want to know who started going to send it, it's this guy. He's got the mullet. He drinks Bush beer. He rides a snowmobile. And he sends it, guys. This guy does like the craziest. He gets wasted and he sends his snowmobile off of jumps and eats shite. And he just goes, I'm just gonna send it.
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Send it. Anyways, so just send it, guys. That is Canadian hero, man, right there. That is a Canadian hero. I'm just gonna send it, bro. He's from Newfoundland, which is Newfoundland is a whole different animal. It's Newfoundland's known for drinking, fighting, and fucking. That's it, man. It's like the I don't know how to explain it, guys. They're a different breed out there. They'll get 10 feet of snow overnight. They drink beers, and they send it, guys. That's the way they live it. It's awesome, man. I think it's hilarious. Redneck of Canada, exactly. It's the best, man. And you won't understand a word they say. Bye. They say bye. Yes, bye. Yes, bye. Oh man. Good old Canada. A lot of people don't know how Newfoundlanders how they talk, right? They don't know how the Newfoundlanders talk. They sound Irish. They sound Irish, but worse. Right? They sound Irish, but a lot worse.
You or any of your family, George, ever been to Ireland?
No.
Would you ever expect to go there?
Oh my, no. I wish I was able to go there now. You know? Yes. But no.
You or any of your family, George, ever been to Ireland?
No.
Would you ever expect to go there?
Okay, here's that rollover we were looking for on Bitcoin. Good. This is good. So, putting in some highs here, coming into 908. Everybody, thank you for being here, supporting the channel. 391 people in here. Coming for that high, we got equal highs here. Retest continuation trade possibility. We've taken one long on the Solana slap here. Good job, everybody. So far, so good. We have broken a little bit of structure in here. Overall, just continuation onwards and upwards, as we can see on Solana, trying to break out. This is a macro trend line, guys. This is a big dirty. So can we get above it and go? That would be very nice. Okay, we'll see if we get there. If this, then that. Bitcoin ramping up, trying to go into market open with strength. NASDAQ opening up very strong. What is this doing, everybody? So we always talk about this, but this is trap traders, right? We have a whole bunch of liquidity targets below us. Continuation up, the Santa Claus rally, and we'll see if it wants to continue. However, let's not get trapped. It's going to be very volatile and sporadic, as it has been. So our job is to participate as safely as possible. We'll see what we get today. Thank you for smacking up those like buttons. We got 400 people and only 140 like buttons. Would really appreciate if we could get that to 200 today. That would be great. Where are you from in Canada? I'm from Toronto. My man. I don't live in Toronto anymore because it's a cesspool. I now live in Alberta in the mountains. I'm away from all the crazies. Blue cheese, Alex. Let's go. Alex, the cryptocurrency man. Creepy toes, man. Thank you for being here. The only requirement really is to say good morning. Don't be a weirdo and say good morning. What's going on? Massey, KGD, Curb. Do you use Heike Ashley candles? No. These are regular candles, man. Good for shorting or longing. We're in no trades right now. We've taken our $400 this morning and we're just chilling. Sniper's Nightmare, what's going on, man? Good to see you, brother. Alex O is so needy. Yeah, I am. If I don't ask for likes, man, it just stays at like 50. Good to see you, bro. Merry Christmas. Alexander G. God afternoon. God is good, man. Shui TV. Good morning, Spaceman. Good to see you. Yeah, for the lucrative trade, it is essential. It is essential. Slapping back down here into market open. Great long trade off of Solana's. Great long trade. Coming back down to retest into imbalance in here. No trade yet. NASDAQ. Ramping, man. This thing is flying. Flying into market open. I'm going to expect a gap up here for our beautiful S&P 500. We'll see. Gap up typically means dump later, so we'll see. We'll see, but it's been performing pretty well lately, so we'll see. Patience will prevail. Patience, patience, patience. We can't use Bybit. I don't use Bybit either, man. I use Bitunix. I always suggest using a Bybit chart on TradingView, though. A Bybit chart on TradingView. Bybit. You see right here? Because of the volume. The volume on the exchange is best, okay? Okay. So everything's pretty overextended. So let's not get too bullish on this push up here. Let's just be aware that we've retested previous lows. This looks like it wants to continue up. However, this is where you would retest and continue down, right? So you have a little sweep of the liquidity of the highs up here. You have a break of momentum here. You have a, I guess this will be your low. You could consider this your low here, right? So you have a break, retest, continuation down. Retest of previous lows. Not the greatest topping structure in my opinion. The thing is that we have tons of liquidity here to come and grab. So I would prefer to short this today for the bigger trade. We took the long right here, but I would prefer to short it. I would prefer to short it. That's a mouthful. We shall see. We shall see what the market brings this morning. Prepared anyways, so either way, VWAPs. We're above VWAP. We should be looking for longs generally, but this trend, yeah, it's very ugly. A very ugly trend. However, we said it looked bullish last night, so last night, if you got long, you would have been paid very handsomely. Alexander G was moving. Hopefully your move was nice. Moving's never easy. I moved a lot as a kid. Never traded naked. Well, you should try it sometime, Dusty. It's can be very, very rewarding. Okay. I don't like Christmas. It's always a hard time. I'm sorry to hear that, man. God bless you. Hopefully your Christmas is turned more positive, man. I'm excited for Christmas. I'm excited because I have my boy now, right? It's a beautiful thing to see. He's only 16 months, but he was an absolute potato for his first Christmas, so maybe he'll remember something from this. I doubt it, but I doubt it. I don't know. When's the earliest time that you have a memory? I remember getting pushed around in a choo-choo train when I was little. And I was like probably 2.5, 3. I don't know how old I was. But I don't have many memories when I was a little blob, you know? Anybody have like early memories? How old were you from your earliest memory? Let me know in the chat. Good evening. Good morning. Chad Didonia. What's going on, Chelsea? Good to see you from Thailand. Thank you for being here. Chit Traeger, what's going on? Cameron. 4. 3, yeah. 4, yeah. Around 4, yeah. Fair value gap looks strong, yeah. Crypto Squid, what's going on? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Chris Reitz. Lucky Deal, my man. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Infinite Team TA. What's going on? Merry Christmas, brother. This Christmas we're getting our first big kid bike. That's awesome, man. That's cool. LJ, good to see you. I remember the last 2 days. Too much. 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Yeah, 5. Look at this push, guys. That long was the bomb, man. I should have just held this thing. I would have been pre-rich before market even opened, man. Look at that. Nice push. Nice push. Great long today, everybody. In the womb. In the womb. What's going on, Rudy? John Newton? All the kids were in all the same clothes, yeah. Maybe it was the camp. It was a band camp. Maybe in band camp, everybody was forced to wear the same T-shirt. 2. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Nick Musgrave in the chat. What's going on, Nick? This is past your bedtime, bro. What's going on, Nick? Merry Christmas, brother. God bless you. It was a great long, yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just chilling now. Much love, brother. Jeez. Don't fade the move. Economic calendar coming up this week. We have GDP here. The Italian GDP is GDP, okay? That's pretty much it. Initial jobless claims on Wednesday morning. I guess I told my wife I would take Wednesday off, guys. I'm going to take Wednesday off. I promised my wife. Thursday, Christmas. Yeah. Bitcoin climbing. You guys can hear Baby Otter crying. Yeah, he's having a full whinge. He's cutting his molars, man. 20 more likes, guys. That would be appreciated. Yeah, his teeth are coming in, man. Big time. Merry Christmas, right? Last trading day for me this week, yeah. Very volatile. I'm your lucky charm. Oh, man. I got to. I work like 16-hour days, man. It's important for me to spend some time with my family and enjoy the Christmas holidays for 2 days, 3 days, you know. So we went skating yesterday. Skating was fun. Lots of fun. Did you guys see? I can actually skate, guys. I can actually rip it on the ice, okay? You guys don't believe it. Here it is. Here's AlexOCrypto. Skating in the mountains yesterday, hanging out with the family. Woohoo! Good fun, you see? You learn how to do this before before you can really walk. You know, you come up and you stop and you snow dust the right.
Whoa!
There you go. AlexOCrypto. And guess what, guys? I'm like 5'6" on ice, man. I'm like 5'6", guys. I'm tall as ever, man. No stick, no puck. No, not yesterday. I was pulling around my son in a sled. That was my day. I got the stick handles though, bro. Don't worry. It's all there. Good fun. I like to lean on the stick when I skate too. It is weird. Because you can turn much sharper with a stick because you can put weight on the stick. Seven minutes till market open here. A little bit of chop at the top. This looks bearish in my opinion. Trapping longs up here. Major resistance here for Solana. Not really interested in the short right now. Bearish divergence, SFP. Resistance for Massey. Resistance, tu parles français? Oui, oui, madame. I tried ice skating once and I almost died. I need those booster skates. Yeah, man. I'm pretty quick in the skates. Yeah, man. I can skate pretty well. I can skate pretty well. I got a slapper from middle of the ice, too. I could put the slap shot top shelf from middle ice, so. Good fun. Yeah, seriously, 5'6", man. I was just skating with my family yesterday. I was skating with my family. I took my son on the ice. I don't have any pictures with his face not being shown, but we got him those they're like strap bi skates. So you get like these squares and they have like a blade here and a blade here, right? So you got two blades and then your heel, and they got straps here and they go over your boots, right? They're for little kids. So we got them some bi skates, or they have from the front they have two skates so you don't fall so hard, right? Not one blade. So we took him out, and the wife as well. The wife is from England, so she skates like I should be nice. I'll be nice. She doesn't skate too well, but she tries. She tries. She steps, right? The thing, people who skate who don't grow up skating, they step, right? They take steps on the ice where you're supposed to push off the ice and glide. But she does well. She's okay. She can do a loop, 5 minutes here. Still trying to push here. No trade. One trade this morning. The best trade all day, right? We hit the best trade. Solana long from here. Great trade. I got out here. Happy days. Paid. Quick $400-ish. Yeah, $380. So $400 up today. On to the next one. That'll pay for some Christmas presents. And to the next one. Right? On to the next one. I got tax, man. I got tax nonstop. Good old tax. Best skates in the world. They're old. But they're the best skates in the world. CCM tax. Everybody in my generation used tax, man. They just none of us want it, but we are all here expecting a huge jump. I can listen to an Englishwoman read a paint can and be turned on. Yeah. I don't like the blade on tax. Too flat? I guess so. I haven't tried any of the new skates, Harp. My tacks are from like the 2000s. I bought those skates probably 10 years ago. Look at this push, guys. Continuation here. In that video, you look 6 foot, man. Thanks, bro. I am not 6 feet. I am about 5'4", man. 163. My driver's license says 165, though. I made them add a couple inches because we can all do with a couple inches, can't we? Legit, that's the story. It's legit. Legit, I rounded them up. I'm like, don't 163 me. 165, please. Flat all the time. Yeah, the Bowers were good. Yeah, the Bowers were good back in the day. I mean, you take a slap shot off the foot, man. You ain't coming back with the new skates, Harp. Nice breakout, guys. I should have just held the Solana trade, man. I'm feeling the FOMO now. Holy. This looks like it wants to go. This is good. This is good. NASDAQ climbing. Look at this. Ho, ho. Hold the savings event, baby. We're going to the moon. Everybody feeling the FOMO who didn't get long on the VWAP slap? Man, I'm glad we took some money out of it, but we could have took a couple thousand out of this. Harp, you want to see the funniest picture in my feed right now? Is this right now. If you guys don't know, the Buffalo Sabres have been like the worst team in hockey forever. This is getting out of hand. I feel like every team in the NHL jumped up a level this year, though. Every team. Remember the Colts and Barry Colts, yeah. One minute here. Coming into market open. 20 seconds. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, subscribing if you're new, hitting up that like button. I do appreciate it. We got 450 people here, 200 likes. That's awesome. Thank you guys for subscribing and hanging out and all that stuff. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking the trades. Okay, took the Solana trade with everyone here this morning. Never financial advice, but a beautiful trade nonetheless. We'll see how it opens this morning. Here we go, baby. S&P. Gapping up as expected. So let's see what happens here. A little rollover to start the morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Bitcoin rolling over. Solana rolling over. We'll see what happens here. Looking for some follow through. We'll see what we get. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Nice strength in Solana. Bitcoin looking to push as well. NASDAQ pushing. SPY pushing. Oof. Looking strong this morning. Solana trying to break out here, trying to go. Couple sweeps down below, looking for follow through. I'm not top blasting, guys. I'm not in the mood to top blast today. I do not want to have that anxiety of holding a trade at the top of the range. Bitcoin indecision here. Rolling over. NASDAQ coming back down. Strengthen the SPY here. Slap and go. Solana. Trying to push out here. Chopping the top. Still waiting. Looking for pullbacks. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. A little bit overextended on Market Cipher here. 8-minute as well. 12-minute. Trying to push. Bitcoin, 12-minute. Trying to push as well. Nice bounce out of our buy level this morning. Continuation out. Bitcoin trying to push as well. Can Solana go here? No trade for me. Still waiting. Thank you for being on the live, guys. Look at this. A beautiful Santa push. Santa push for our beautiful S&P this morning. See if Bitcoin wants to follow. Woof. Bitcoin ripping. Solana trying to go. Solana sweeping the highs. Liquidity in the highs here. Oof. Big push for Solana. Damn, we should have held that trade. This looking fine. Damn fine. Damn fine on Solana. Nice push here. Bitcoin trying to push as well. Trapping traders. GG's on that long, guys. Great job. Holy smokes, Batman. Trying to push out here. Solana breaking out. Trying to go. Can it continue? Or will it come back? No trade here. Still waiting. NASDAQ pushing as well. Solana trying to go. Whew. Damn, Daniel. That's like almost a 2% move. Bitcoin trying to go as well. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. I can smell your FOMO. Big sweep on Solana. Coming back for this high, possibly. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over. No trade here. I still remain patient. No trade here. We'll see what goes on. People top blasting that. They just got wrecked, man. They just got wrecked. Good volume there. Bear divs. Rotation down. Whew. Rotation down for sure. My goodness gracious. Bitcoin double bottom. Nasty. Bitcoin double bottom. Still rolling over. No trade here. Still rolling over here. Can we go for another VWAP slap? My God. Giving it all back, man. Bitcoin trying to hold here. See if Bitcoin can push back here. Solana sweeping. Solana sweeping late longs. See if we can push here. NASDAQ still rolling over. SPY trying to hold. Bitcoin pushing back. Could we get a pushback for Solana? Possibly. Might consider a long on Solana here. Might. Just might. Oof, nice push for Biddy. Can we get it on Solana? Solana big SFP. Bitcoin trying to push. NASDAQ still dropping, guys. No trade. Still waiting here. Still waiting here. NASDAQ still dropping. Bitcoin not popping. Solana still dropping. See if we get some pushback here. See if we get some pushback or no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Some volatility. My goodness gracious. The things we do for volatility in the morning. No follow through here. NASDAQ continues to drop. Bitcoin needs to push. Bitcoin needs to push here. Solana. Considering a long, if Bitcoin pushes here, can we push back? No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, here goes NASDAQ. NASDAQ's trying to go here. SPY's still holding strong, which is good. Bitcoin, no signs of life yet. Still waiting. No strength in Solana. Bitcoin rolling over. Bitcoin VWAP slap. Possibility. This is golden pocket bounce level though. Golden pocket SFP trying to bounce here off Bitcoin. NASDAQ no strength yet. No strength in Solana yet. Solana SFP. Rotation down. Solana lower. Nice sweep for Solana. Bitcoin coming down. VWAP slap. Possibility. Slap and go. Looking for it on Bitcoin. Slap and go. 786 bounce level. Looking for it on Solana. Slap and go as well. We'll see. Rotation. NASDAQ needs to push. Still rolling over. Here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin. Slap and go. Bitcoin go. We'll see. Nice short. If anyone took that short, you'd have to have stones of steel, man. Can Solana go here? Considering a long on Solana. I like the pushback. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's got to go here. Come on, Biddy, push. Retest for Solana. No trade here, still waiting. Solana rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. No trade. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Hanging out here. Nasdaq's trying to go. Solana rolling down. No trade. Nasty. Down we go. Bitcoin. Trying to hold VWAP. Down we go. Big roll over here for Biddy. No slap on the WAP. Still waiting here. Still looks like it needs to come lower. Here's a slap. Slap and go. No trade here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out. Squeezing all those late longs. Nasdaq's still rolling over. Very indecisive this morning, as expected. As expected. Beautiful slap on Solana. Bitcoin needs to push here. Bitcoin pushes, we can get long on Solana. Nasdaq's just bleeding a little bit here. SPY's coming back now. Bitcoin higher time frames, trying to push out. Orb in 3 minutes. Trigger wave forming on the 12-minute. 8-minute trying to push back. Nasdaq still rolling over. Kind of weird. Bitcoin catching a bit of a bid here. Nice push for Biddy. Solana pushing back, considering a long here. Let's give her a whirl. Let's give it a whirl. TP1 hit. See if we get some follow through here. Stop loss to entry. Up $560. See if we push here. See if we push here. Let's go. Come on, soy boy Lana. See if we can follow through here. Bitcoin looks strong. Bitcoin looks strong here. Doji engulfing continuation trade. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I can't give you all the secrets, guys. The Discord knows that trick. The Discord definitely knows that trick. That's one of the oldest tricks in the book in the Discord, man. One of the oldest tricks in the book. Like Old Yeller, man. I'm going to take my 1,000. You can give me some more money if you want there, soy boy Lana. You don't need to stop me out. You can continue. You can continue. Come on. Come on, girl. Don't be mean. See if we get follow through here. How's everybody doing? Here she goes. If you know, you know. That's it, right? If you know, you know. You're going to come and stop me out, and then you're going to go up. Because I'm so important. These market makers are always hunting me. If you think that, you're not, you got some work to do. The market maker ain't that interested in you. You ain't that important. Let's take that off there if it wants to give it to me. Thank you very much, Mr. Market Maker. 800 realized here. We're up a nice 1100 to start the morning. Nice patience, buying strength, looking for follow through. Easy peasy lemon squeezy trade. All right. Doji engulfing continuation trade for Bitcoin off the VWAP slap. It's all there, guys. You guys know it. If you haven't learned it, well, jump in the Discord and learn it for yourselves. Okay. It's all there in the lessons. VWAP slap, Doji engulfing continuation trade at a key level. Bullish momentum, trying to push out. Okay, it's all there. It's all there. Be there or be square kind of deal. And we'll see if we get follows through. GG's gang. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Hey, Alex, what is your leverage? It is 44x leverage. Leverage is a tool. Okay, leverage is a tool. Beautiful pump. Let's go. Let's go to the moon today. What is it? 600? Yeah, if we push up here, I'd take 15. 15's nice. I like 1500. See if we want to follow through here. Bitcoin flying, baby. Let's go. Soy boy lana to the moon. Great trade, everybody. NASDAQ catching a bid, trying to push up. SPY coming back down, but not fully. Looking for a continuation. Bitcoin, Santa Claus rally. Can we get it? Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Ho, ho, ho. That was pretty gay. You can say gay in the chat if that was gay. I just, two great trades. We took this long this morning. We took this long this. Happy days, man. Happy days. Don't be a dick for a tick. Let it run. Let it run. This is a channel where we do accept the word gay and retard. We're a 90s child. And, don't be so sensitive is what I would say, Don't be so sensitive. Enjoy yourself. Charlie Murphy. Oh, you're running away from me now. You're running away from me. I just wanted to make that $1,000. Now you're running away from me. You're trapping late longs. Okay, you're coming back for late longs, and you're going to pop back up. I know. Go and get them. Go and get them. Good job. All these people top blasting. Just grab them. Yeah, now fill me. Fill it. I just said fill me. That's even worse, guys. You guys can clip that one if you want. Utter gang. Just paid for my Santa Claus. Good, man. Rainbows in the chat. You guys are too much, man. Oh, man. 44x leverage. I've been using 44x leverage for almost 3 years, man. Leverage is a tool to keep less money on the exchange. In my opinion, that's why I use it. Taking the trades, showing the trades, talking through the trades. I think we're doing all right, everybody. Up almost 1,100, almost 1,500 on the morning. Spoon feeding galore. If you are new here, welcome. Subscribe. Join the Discord. I like fours. That's why. BL Vinco. I like fours, man. Everybody asks why four. Because I like fours, man. That's it. As a card-carrying gay adult, cisgendered male pronouns, he/him, I think you're an honorary gay, Alex. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it, guy. I identify as my pronouns are Lord, Otter King Beaver. If you guys wouldn't mind, when you do Lord Otter King Beaver, if you would please address me as such, I would really appreciate it. I try my best to respect the land and acknowledgement and all that. It's even, guys. It's even in my my Discord bio. Okay, you can see here, AlexOCrypto, Lord Otter, King Beaver. I don't DM. Okay, I don't DM you guys, but I am Lord Otter, King Beaver. You can see me over there. I'm always sleeping because I don't want to talk to you. All right, unless you're in the Discord, then I'll talk to you all the time. All right. Looking for follow through here. Can we go? Strength. Continuation. 3 drives, SFP, warning sign right now, guys. Golden pocket. 3 drives, SFP. You might want to pay yourselves. Just saying. Do you ever use 400X? No, I never switch. I have not ever switched my I have never switched my leverage in probably 3 years, man. It's the same shit, different day. The only thing I've done is add more size, right? Because position size does matter, my friends. If you haven't joined the Crypto Hub, then join the Crypto Hub, because position size does matter. If you didn't know, now you know. Did you guys know that Crypto Billy is long right now? Crypto Billy is long like Donkey Kong right now. Let's go, Billy. He just messaged me. Billy, don't forget to pay yourselves. We are scalping here. We're not trying to hit home runs. I love you, though, bro. Good job. GG's. I don't DM. No, I don't. I'll message Army Piper or LBC every now and then. Tell them I love them. We're trying to offend people. Ando Pancho. It's about filtering through the people. Like, honestly, if you're getting offended, like, please just go and watch someone who's gonna fluff you and make you feel better. You know, I ain't that guy. I am not that guy. I promise you that, man. Carpenter for 15 years. You're not gonna get any. I will get hammered and I will nail you, as they say, as a carpenter. I will get hammered and I will nail you. All right. Nice rejection here. Trying to continue. NASDAQ bouncing, looking strong, sweeping these lows. So liquidity has been taken out of most of this, which is good. However, we can always adjust, right? So be aware. A bit overextended. Hopefully we get our Santa Claus rally, guys. I'm hoping for it too, guys. Obviously, I'm long. Obviously. Join the Discord. How do I move stop loss to entry, Amanda says. Amanda, you should have your stop loss on the chart at all times, so your stop loss would be here, right? So if you want to move it to entry, just, I don't know if you have the slider bar, depends on what exchange you got. You just put it up into where you entered the trade here, and that'll protect you. Sometimes you want to give it a little bit more wiggle room for the fees, okay? So you want to put it up a little bit higher than normal. You don't want to put it exactly right here, or else you're going to lose money. So you typically want to put it a little bit higher so that, you know, it accounts for the fees in the trade. Okay. See, Amanda asked a question in the Discord. I'll answer her right away. How much is Discord membership? It's currently $78 if you use the code Zuzamen+. If you use Zuzamen+, we have a discount. I don't even know. I'm thinking we're gonna raise the prices in the new year, man. It's called inflation, and it's called a lot of students and not a lot of time to teach them all the way I would prefer to teach them all. We're making some adjustments coming into the new year, and hopefully we can bring some more alpha and some more trade setups and some more focus in our Discord, because the Discord is on fire. 7 traders spoon feeding. There's so many spoons that you don't know what meal to take sometimes. That's how good the Discord is. You can ask anybody in the Discord. They'll tell you about the spoon feeding. They'll tell you about the spoon feeding. Ask them about the pink boxes on the weekends. In the last 2 weekends, not this weekend, but ask them about the last 2 pink boxes, man. We double dipped on a pink box on the weekend. Lunar Beach is in the chat. God bless you. Otherwise, it won't work. Yeah, Soul pushing through, hopefully. Santa Claus rally when? I don't know. Double top right now into resistance. We'll see. Looking for follow through here. No follow through, though. A little bit of weakness here. Trapping longs up at the top. I would expect some sort of retracement continuation here before it goes. If it's going to go, it'll go, but looking to get up to that 130 mark. That 130 mark's a critical level of resistance you can see in here. And then we also have the sweep of these highs here at 128. Breakout, retest, continuation trade here. Bitcoin kind of chopping at the golden pocket here ratio. We'll see. NASDAQ, V-shaped recovery. Trying to print. SPY looking good as well. Lots of positives here. A Piper appearance, man. What's going on? Much love, Army Piper. Hopefully you're enjoying your trip. When are you back, man? When are you going to come and do chart hackers so I can take a week off? Alex O, you should offer a senior citizen discount. You're going to be 70 years old in 5 months? Amazing, guy. God bless you, man. 70 and still looking this handsome, man? Look at you, man. You not 70. Look at how handsome this guy is, man. Guys, there's no way you're going to be 70. Look at how good this guy looks, man. God bless you, man. You're looking great for a 70-year-old man. God bless you, bro. You must have a good wife who takes care of you. Or you're just a cis, he, him, well mannequined looking man. Good job, bro. You're what they call in the gay community a flipper, right? You're a flipper. Oh, man. You be taking people on to the other side. We love you. Thank you for being here, Kemp, and always participating in the chat, man. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful week. It's Monday, baby. We up good today. For a Monday and for this choppy shite price action, I'm pretty happy, man. I don't know about you guys. You guys do what you want, but this is a good start to the day. What a Chad. He is totally a Chad, right? He's flipping. He's doing good, man. 70 years old. There's no way, man. You either lying or that ain't you. You either lying or that ain't you, man. Let's go, Santa. Where's Santa at, man? Pump this thing. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. We got 520 people in here. 233 likes. Thank you guys, man. God bless. That's awesome. I started doing shorts again, if you didn't know. You guys said you used to like the shorts, so I made a whole bunch more. I'm only doing them 3 times a week. It's a little bit of effort, man. And I'd rather just click buttons, if I'm being honest. But I did create some shorts. 1. Let's go. Gang. Let's go. Make sure you pay yourselves, guys. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. There is a free section in the Discord if you just want to come and hang out. I'll try to answer you as best as I can. I'm pretty busy though, but I will try my best to answer if you do have questions. Rotation down now. Trapping the traders at the top. I ain't married to this trade, really. We'll see. We'll see if it wants to go. Coming back down. Slapping. Suelio. Last 5 Mondays have been dumbfast. Yeah. Well, we do have a lot of liquidity below us, Sue. I still don't know how to say your name, so I'm just going to call you Susan. We appreciate you, bro. Thank you for being part of the family. Let's go, baby. Very long and green. Let's go. Brumbelow in the chat. Guys, did you know Brumbelow has an emoji too? Look at the bumblebee, man. Respect your authority. How do you deal with reversals? Because I was up $60, now it's gone. Well, you got to pay yourselves. It's called intention. So we talk a lot about intention of the trade in our Discord. Right? Is this a scalp? Yes. Were we looking for a home run? No. Did we take profits halfway up the candle? Yes. Did we take profits up here? Yes. Can we leave this as a runner? Yes. Can we take it off now? Yeah. So it's intention of the trade. This was a very short-term buying of strength, continuation scalp trade. It wasn't to go up to Valhalla, but sometimes they do run. Okay, so intention of the trade is so important, right? Like if you're trying to take an intraday swing trade, it's a whole different animal, right? It's a whole different animal. And you must treat the trade as such. That means you're not putting as much margin out on here because your stop loss is probably somewhere under here rather than right tight here, you know? So, you know, you got to prioritize and understand what you're looking for. Intention of your trade, how you're looking to take advantage of price action. Good luck with the Christmas shopping, Laurent. Right? But with reversals, before you enter the trade, you must have clear-cut invalidation. We have VWAP, slap, doji, engulfing continuation trade. That was the trade coming to take the liquidity of the highs, right? I took Solana because Solana looked juicy. Okay? Now, do I understand there's resistance here? Yes, we have it marked out. We should understand that that's where we're looking to get rejected from. Golden pocket 786 level. Okay. Do we have bullish momentum? Is the NASDAQ pushing? Yes, yes, yes. Check, check, check. Right? So can we have follow through? Absolutely. However, with a reversal, you should be paying yourself and understanding the environment of the market. What are we doing a lot lately? Right? We're chopping. Right? So there's very sporadic moves, and then every now and then you get the actual move where it blasts off, right? So in between there, you should be paying yourselves pretty aggressively. That's just my opinion, but that's what this market's doing, right? So how do we participate in that safely? We pay ourselves early. We leave runners, right? And that's it. Right? Oh, Solana, you got to go, baby. Discord, what do you think? Bottom's in or not? I think it's in, guys. I've been telling the Discord since last Thursday. I think the bottom's in for Solana. What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if the bottom is in for Solana. Put a 2 in the chat if it's going to $80. It might be in. It might be. I'm just saying. Don't shoot the messenger. This is a pretty good bottom. I don't know. I'm asking because I'm a Solana bull. I am a Solana bull. I am bullish on Solana. I think Solana is going to $2,000 in the next 5 years. It's a long-term hold for me. But you guys tell me, man. You guys tell me. It's going to 92. I could see that. I got buys at $80 to $50 if we're going to dump. I could see that. I'm not 3 taps. Bottom is in. Appreciate you too, Chris. Hopefully you're doing well, bro. Merry Christmas. Guys, I haven't even realized I've gone late today. Holy smokes, man. Everybody's left the chat because they're going to watch someone else stream. Let me know in the chat. Who do you guys go and watch after my stream? Who do you go watch? Army Piper? Do you watch OC Guy? Do you watch Crypto Lifer? Trades by Matt? Piper. Brewberry. Not today. Yeah, Brewberry's away. A lot of people go to Lifer. Make sure you get your beautiful Lambro. We go to Discord. That's the way, right? We go to the Discord. Meet Kevin. All right. All 3. Billy's in all 3. Billy doing it right. Billy supporting everybody. Billy's supporting everybody. Solana to the moon. Guys, 2 beautiful trades today. We took Solana here this morning. We took Solana here. We are making the bank today. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out at the AlexOCrypto show. It's been fun. I'm just glad you're here with me. I don't care where you go, what you do. You're your own boss. Just be kind. Don't be a douche canoe. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you. And Discord, I'll see you later on today. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about Drew?